Welcome to Ediket. To make a request, click the Make Request button on the upper left-hand side. You will see the request page, where you can enter the text you want to have proofread. Simply type your text into the box, or copy text from somewhere else, like a Word document, and paste it into the box. On the right-hand side, you will see the word count of your request. Click Next to move on. Then, just enter a few more details. Select the purpose of your writing, indicating whether it is for school, business, or personal uses. Then, select the type of document you are requesting. Below, type any specific details you'd like to see in the edit you receive. Mentioning who you are writing this for, how much change you want to see, and what style you are using will help the editor better meet your expectations. Click Submit to finish the request. You will see a confirmation message, then a completion notification indicating your remaining points. This view shows the request before it has been claimed by an editor. Using Quick Request, your material will be revised by the first available editor. You will see a notification appear as soon as an editor begins working on your request. Click the notification, and you will see that your request page has been updated to show you which editor you are working with. The summary on the right also indicates the maximum time left for the editor to finish the request. Most times, the editor will finish more quickly, though, as in this example case. You can now see the completed revision as well as a detailed comment from the editor. Click the red Accept button to leave a review for the editor. Choose how many stars to give them based on how satisfied you are with their work, and enter a brief comment on why you gave that rating. If you tell them what you liked or didn't like, it will help them better meet your needs in the future. Click Review when you are finished entering your comment. You can also use the Copy to Clipboard button on the lower right to copy the content of your review with one click. Then, you can easily paste it back into a document or elsewhere. Thanks for checking out Ediket!